So this will be a little demonstration of the Giesecke organ, starting with turning on the blower. This organ was originally hand pumped, right, David?
That is correct.
And an electrical blower was installed in around probably 1920, so 2025, somewhere along
Mid-20s,
there.
let's say for safety.
And the bellows and wind system needs work. The bellows and wind system need work. And when I turn on the switch, everyone will be able to hear why. So the wind makes quite a brushing noise. And I will demonstrate the organ stops one by one. We have a principal stop, which is some of the pipes of which are in the front, aren't they?
Yes, it's
Yes.
the center flat is the principal, the outer flats are the 4-foot octave.
Then we have an octave, a row of pipes that speaks an octave higher. And the 2-foot, which speaks yet an octave higher. And a 12th, which fills out the harmonic spectrum. Oh, we'll edit that part out. In addition to those principal stops, there is a flute. A flute whose label is gone, and a much quieter gamba. There's a sub-bass 16 for the pedal, but the pedals are inoperable at the moment. And there's a bellows signal, which eventually, when the organ is restored, will raise a little flag or ring a little bell back behind the organ to alert the pumper to start pumping as the time comes to play the organ.
Excellent.